Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I will take a very interesting remedy. Of course, this remedy has been known to everybody since we start studying homeopathy, and the remedy is Nux vomica. The most important thing in Nux vomica is that I have seen in my practice, the patient is very irritable. There is a lot of irritability, and the patient wants to complete his task or complete his business by hook or by crook. He just wants to succeed in life. He keeps on trying. And because of that, there is a lot of irritability in Nux vomica. That's why it is tell that Nux vomica is given to person with zealous temperament. Now let me talk only about irritability of Nux vomica. That will make you understand the whole concept of Nux vomica. Like for example, in Nux vomica, it is an irritability with anxiety. Now it is very important to know that Nux vomica patient also has anxiety, and if you see in a mathematica, irritability with anxiety, Nux vomica is the most important remedy. It is always present with anxiety. He's always irritable, wants to do something, and he's always anxious, always on the edge. He wants to complete his work. That is Nux vomica. With this symptom, you can compare other remedies like phosphorus or carcinosin or savina, but irritability with anxiety is a very important symptom of Nux vomica. And as you go further, irritability with anxiety increases so much that he wants to commit suicide but is afraid to die. Now this is a very important symptom of Nux vomica. Irritability with anxiety with inclination to commit suicide, but the patient is afraid to die. This is again I have seen in many of cases in Nux vomica. If there is simple disease like hemorrhoids also, Nux vomica has lot of irritability. So irritability with hemorrhoids also is a very important symptom of Nux vomica. Do compare this symptom of Nux vomica with Apis mellifica. Like we have liver troubles, because Nux vomica eats at different times because of his work. He does not eat at right time. He does not eat the right food. There is always liver trouble and stomach complaints in Nux vomica. So whenever there is irritability in liver complaints, do think about Nux vomica. Very close to Nux vomica, when there is a lot of irritability with liver complaints, think about Podophyllum, chamomile and Bryonia also. But Nux vomica is a very important remedy for these complaints. The irritability of Nux vomica is so much that whenever when you try to question Nux vomica, when you try to talk to him or try to ask him something, he becomes very irritable. Irritable when questioned. It carries a very big meaning with that. When questioned, you cannot ask a question to Nux vomica. You cannot talk to Nux vomica when he's in his own world. Irritability when questioned, a very important symptom of Nux vomica. Do compare this symptom with 2 or 3 very important remedies, and the first is chamomilla, arnica, kaliars and phosphoric acid. But Nux vomica again is a very important symptom in this condition. As you see that Nux vomica is very impatient, irritable and impatient, but simple, a Nux vomica patient becomes irritable in coryza. That is a very important 3 marking symptom of Nux vomica, irritability and impatience. See how the patient, such a trivial disease, coryza, and the Nux vomica patient is very irritable. Of course, with this irritability and impatient Nux vomica, remember one thing, that Nux vomica always dreams about business. Now this is a very important symptom of Nux vomica, because a Nux vomica patient is always wanting to do something in life, especially in business, and it is a remedy where you can see that persons who are worn out because of the business, they are so tired, they are worn out because of the business, then it becomes Nux vomica. A very important remedy, Nux vomica, where the patient is worn out because of business. He is doing business day in day out, wants to be successful by hook or by crook. Because of this, he is worn out. So whenever a person you find that in business is worn out because of business, think first about Nux vomica. Of course, think about second remedy, that's coca, the mountaineer's remedy, where the patient has dyspnea on climbing mountains, that is coca. That's again a very important remedy. And we have remedies like califos and zincumfos, where the patient is worn out because of business. So This is a very, very important symptom. Naxomic, of course, Naxomic has a lot of anxiety and a lot of anger and other things. But today I just wanted to tell you something about the irritability of Naxomica and how the business of Naxomica, how businessman becomes worn out and then he starts getting symptoms because it cannot eat, cannot sleep at proper times, a lot of digestive problems, liver problems. That is a very, very important symptom of Naxomica. Only one part of Naxomica I've covered, that is the irritability. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.